Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to play the Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS after the recent software update. Yes friends, just a couple of days back I did receive the update which is 8.20 update as you can see. But after this update the FPS has been locked exactly around 70 FPS in this device. So it doesn't matter what kind of trick you use. So 70 FPS cannot be increased unless only one trick is working at this moment, which makes 90 FPS to be playable in this Realme X and Max device. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video friends. So what is the trick and how to use it, which we do know before as well, which is a floating window trick. So which you need to select the WhatsApp or any other application from the floating window, and you need to use that application in the bottom. So keep that application in the bottom wise and try to observe. Right now then you will be able to run at 90 FPS. So let me to start the game and show you. As you can see friends clearly, now you are getting it exactly 88 FPS and 87 FPS. But in the other Realme phone, for example this is a Realme GT which I'm trying to use. In this device the phone has got the by default 90 FPS, and this phone can actually play at 90 FPS without any kind of problem. As you can clearly see friends, this phone can actually play that. But only problem with the Realme X and Max device only, maybe that's because of the Dimensity processor which will be giving high temperatures. That might be another reason why the Realme decided to keep it 70 FPS lock for this phone. But right now I'm trying to play the gameplay at 90 FPS by using this WhatsApp trick. As you can see right now we are getting 90 FPS, I mean 86 FPS it's maintaining, 86 and 89. As you can clearly see friends, not bad. Using this kind of WhatsApp trick it's kind of working, but not. But overall this is kind of small disturbance. I can definitely say that having this kind of WhatsApp or any other application throwing them, I thought of using this kind of small window, but still that doesn't work. It will decrease to 70 FPS only after that window comes. You need to use that floating window. So using this kind of WhatsApp trick, there's nothing much major problem. I can definitely say that you can actually move it down. So without any kind of problem, now you'll be able to play it a little bit kind of smooth. The gameplay, that feels a little bit kind of smooth, I can definitely say that a little bit. So playing at 90 FPS, this is only way possible in the Realme X and Max device at this moment, which a lot of other users are actually using this kind of trick as well. And right now I'm trying to use with this kind of WhatsApp trick only friends, and I'm trying to play the game. So you can see how the game is playing at this moment. Not bad. So as you can clearly see, so now I'll try to do the FPS drop test as well, maybe in the angle map. So right now let's see friends, how is the FPS drop test gonna be there using this kind of 90 FPS trick. So right now using this kind of WhatsApp trick, how much the FPS will be dropping. So at this moment we are getting about close to, not bad. It's kind of maintaining 87 FPS, 88, 89. So using this kind of WhatsApp or any kind of floating FPS meter trick, how much, this is how it's dropping friends using this kind of trick. So 88 is the lowest. So maybe after the Realme UI 3.0 update, we'll be getting this kind of floating FPS meter. So which we did see in the Realme GT device, floating FPS, which is really good to have this kind of floating one. So which will gives you the clear idea what's going on with the gameplay and overall experience. So this is how the drop test has been there, friends. So it's not bad. So it was able to maintain 86 and 85 FPS, but definitely the temperatures will actually increase slightly higher if you use this kind of trick. Right now, let's check the temperature is about 36.8 degrees Celsius and backs at 35.6. Not bad regarding the temperatures wise. You can actually keep in this corner as well if you want. Yes, I think you cannot keep like this. Let me try to. You have to keep exactly slight corner. I think this should not be having any kind of issues in the middle, and now you'll be able to play at 90 FPS smoothly. So right now I just want to show you, friends, a couple of minutes of gameplay. So definitely, friends, still now not much problems playing with like this kind of trick. It should not be any kind of big issue. So until the Realme finds some kind of solution, we need to maintain this kind of other tricks to play at 90 FPS, unfortunately. And maintaining around 88 FPS during this time of testing, not bad. And 4D vibrations still not working in this device. 4D vibrations, that's another sad part to see. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick gameplay review on the Realme X and Max device using this kind of WhatsApp trick. You can actually play. Now we got to know, and we were able to maintain slightly kind of okay FPS using this kind of WhatsApp trick. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile, signing off, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.